Welcome to the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air. It's written in a flowing style, suitable for a faceless video. The Chevrolet Bel Air is an undeniable classic. It defined an era of bold design, chrome trims, and a sense of freedom that resonated with car enthusiasts. Over the decades, this icon earned its place in history as one of Chevrolet's most beloved models. Fast forward to today, and whispers of its return have surfaced. Rumors and speculative designs are making their rounds, sparking curiosity among fans. While no official announcement has been made by Chevrolet, these concepts blend retro styling with modern technology, creating a car that pays homage to its roots, while catering to today's automotive landscape. One standout design imagines a sleek two-door coupe with sharp LED headlights and a wide grille that echoes the 1957 Bel Air. Its body lines flow gracefully, a nod to the aerodynamic trends of the present, while maintaining the charm of the past. Some renderings showcase chrome accents, white wall tires, and the iconic two-tone paint jobs that made the Bel Air a standout on the road. Under the hood, speculation leans towards an electric powertrain. As the automotive world moves towards electrification, a battery-powered Bel Air could align with industry trends while appealing to environmentally conscious buyers. Imagine a Bel Air with silent acceleration and instant torque, delivering the same thrill as its classic V8 predecessors. Inside, the concept integrates retro details, like circular gauges and bench seats with cutting-edge technology. Picture a digital cockpit, voice-activated controls, and premium materials, all blending to create a space that feels both nostalgic and futuristic. While these ideas are purely speculative, the buzz around a potential Bel Air revival highlights its enduring appeal. This car, even decades after its heyday, still stirs excitement and creativity. Whether or not Chevrolet decides to bring back the Bel Air, the legacy of this classic lives on, inspiring new generations of car enthusiasts.